Today's herb of the day is chamomile. Hi, I'm Robyn, holistic nutritionist, student herbalist, and founder of Moontime Apothecary, where we make herbal remedies for women's bodies and cycles. Today we're talking about chamomile, which you can see here is a little yellow flower. I wish that you could smell this. Chamomile is really in my top 5 herbs of all time because it's very effective, yet gentle and safe for most people, and it has such a massive variety of uses. Chamomile is anti-inflammatory. It relieves dysmenorrhea, which is period pain, and also helps to prevent clotting. It's supportive to the digestive system, so cramping, bloating, gas, indigestion. It helps with occasional insomnia and sleep disturbances. It's very good for any kind of menstrual complication, including emotional, and restores balance to the nervous system, including stress, anxiety, depression, sleep, as we mentioned, nervousness, restlessness, you name it. Chamomile can be taken as a tea with the dried flowers or as a tincture as well. And I love chamomile so much. It's actually included in 4 of the 7 products that are going to be up when the shop launches in a few weeks.